Windows XP. Check out the new Windows experience. It's the latest and greatest version of Microsoft Windows. Whether you're new to Windows or experienced PC aficionado, there's a lot to learn in the all-new Windows XP. For the Windows newbies, there's never been a better time to learn. The new XP interface is designed to make the learning curve easier than ever. Experienced Windows users will also appreciate the new frictionless interface that makes a computer quicker, easier, and more productive. This course covers all the basic skills and concepts needed to use a computer to do anything. Be it surf the internet, write a book, trade, stocks, manage your finances, play music, edit photos, or just do emails, you need to know only enough to get connected to the online course. Basic buzzwords and concepts of drives, directories, files, and so forth are explained in depth, as well as all the skills you need to get help when you need it. Back out of awkward situations quickly and take advantage of the internet like never before. You will also learn to use and customize the new face, work with text, pictures, photos, sounds, music, and DVD, interactive TV and video, shortcuts to favorites. This 6-week course will start at the beginning by defining all the terms that everybody else assumes you already know. You'll discover the simple meanings behind words like keyboard, mouse, shortcut, click right, click, drag, desktop menu, scroll bars, title bars, toolbars, taskbar, the dialog boxes. You get the picture, right? By the time you finish this lesson, you will know how to apply what you learned to opening and closing programs, working with multiple programs, and much more. Do you have a digital camera or scanner? Looking to get some pictures to the computer or work with these pictures you already have? Love this lesson. Here you'll learn about opening, editing, cropping, and resizing pictures. Undo the changes you don't like and keep the changes you do like. Organize your pictures so they're easy to find. Print your pictures or view them in a slideshow. Send pictures to family, friends through emails, and use your own picture as your Windows top background. By 3 and lesson 5, you'll learn about protecting your computer. Most people have heard of viruses that can infect your computer. In this lesson, you'll learn all about protecting your computer from and other threats to your computer security. Discover the importance of using free automatic updates to keep computer secure. You'll learn how to use the free Windows firewall to protect your PC from internet hackers. You'll see how to use antivirus and other programs to your PC from harmful programs and irritating ads. These days, it's not unusual to have 2 or more computers in a household. There's a final lesson that will discuss the art of networking or getting multiple computers within the home to talk to each other. Learn how several computers can share a single internet account, print, and even files. Also learn personalizing your PC, creating music, video editing, creating, renaming, and deleting folders. You'll learn how to create your own custom shortcut icons, make it easy to get to the files and folders you use most. Many thanks to Ben Sam for his free music download and purchases. Go and check his site out, in which I will have a link in the description as well. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below on any course you would like to see or get started in. I will surely send you a link personally to check out. You can also check me out on Facebook, Markie, and there I will also have an online certification that you can like and follow as well. Many thanks, Williams, and I'm out.